What's up, everybody? Wheezingweasel here again with another installment of Call of Duty. We're here with some Briggs. We're gonna go jump into some plunder and see what we can get into. Y'all tag along.
So it's like driving down here.
This, I mean, maybe not. Like, all he's doing now is like just taking people back and forth to like dialysis and shit, right?
Yeah.
Well, that probably won't be that bad, dude. But like the stuff he was telling me he was doing when he was in Bayshore.
Yeah, okay, so
Yeah, Bayshore.
completely different story. I wouldn't do it.
I don't think I could. Like, he was telling me some nasty stories. I was like, I couldn't handle that.
See, my thing is, like, you wanna go to airfield?
Yeah, that's good.
Alright. My thing is, like, my skill set is gone completely. So if I was ever in that situation, I'd probably freeze up. If I'm being completely honest with you, I'd probably freeze up and I wouldn't know what to do.
Dude, how about when Garrison almost died and you and David just looked at each other and was like, you wanna take it?
Well, you know, I was hoping he would. I've never worked on a kid before. I've never worked on a kid, and I figured he would jump right in since you know he is. I'll call him a seasoned dad. But you know,
I was just like, one of y'all, please step in here.
This kid, he needs help. David, please.
Y'all just like looked at each other. I was like, oh god. Neither one of them really knew what to fucking do. It was all talk.
I've never ever even worked on. I'm telling you, when I went through the EMT course, I didn't even work like on the dummy.
I was just like, oh, yeah. Luckily he was okay though.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Well, see, the
Dude,
thing,
we was on vac.
or whenever he's when
Shit.
he bent over and started spitting up, I thought that was
Yeah.
it. I was like,
Yeah, I
okay,
did
okay,
too.
so he's got it. And then he didn't answer. I'm like, oh shit, no, he's still going.
Yeah. But then he spit up again and he was okay. It was scary, dude. I thought, oh shit.
But
I thought that was it for him, you know? I thought he was done.
it's on you. He's on you. Bro, he's on you.
No.
Man.
Yeah, he's like right behind me. He's coming at me with some grenades.
I got him.
Sweet.
Yes,
Team,
sir.
baby.
Yes, sir. I'm not gonna let you go down, bro. No one touches my Wheeze. Or me.
Oh god. I wanna know how they knew I was over here.
That's a good question.
Won't never nobody come over here.
Oh, but on me. Oh gosh.
Like on you?
Never mind. He's AFK.
Where's he at?
Bro, you telling me I
You
don't
done
have
kill him?
I don't have a kill cam?
Nah, they don't do kill cams anymore. What do you mean kill cam?
I'm not like a kill cam like a I don't know, animation when I kill somebody via melee.
Dude, I just sniped the hell out of some guy. Get wrecked.
I can't believe you. Alright, I know I keep talking about it, bro. I can't believe you didn't like break.
It just wasn't my thing.
It's
like
up your alley.
The movement of it and everything just just doesn't do it for me, man.
Oh, it's
It's like it tries too hard.
maybe. I mean, I can see that. It's not one of those bigger name like Call
That's
of
the
Duty.
thing, it is though. It is a bigger name game.
Compared to Call of Duty, though, it's really not. Like, it's cheats compared to Call of Duty, in my personal
Well,
opinion.
that's... There's a guy down here in this tent.
Target appears
area.
hostile.
Yeah, I was trying to watch it. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. see him.
Right here.
Ah, yeah. Oh,
Dude, I wish I didn't suck with this fucking sniper.
you don't. Where do you see somebody?
He's in right there.
Okay, I see him. I see him.
Knocked his armor. If you want to go down there and take him out.
All right.
I mean, he's probably putting armor back on. Yeah, he's right there.
I see him. I see him. I'm gonna try to get him. Nice. Nice.
Good shit. Good shit. Got a guy on the roof, tip top.
Oh shoot, dude! I'm falling through the map. Yeah, bro. I'm falling through the map, for real. Yeah, I'm dead.
How did you fall through the map?
That's a good question, bro. See, on breakpoint, that never happens. Oh man. Yo, I kind of like this though. I kind of like this because I'm not focused on the money. I'm just focused on trying to get some kills.
Yeah, that's it. That's all it is, man.
That's what I need. This is practice. I'm watching 6 though when I'm up here.
Dude, that suck. Oh my god, no.
I get armor box. What's that? I don't know.
I highly doubt there's anybody gonna be behind me.
You don't think so?
Oh, nope, someone just landed on me.
Really?
Or flew over top of me. Nah, they flew over top.
Okay.
Dude, there's so many people here. Damn you. Well, I got an assisted kill on that.
Watch, all the fighting's just gonna shift. Okay, we got somebody down here. He's probably right here now at this point, or in that one. Yep,
Yeah,
yep.
just went right here. Got another guy flying in right here.
I see him. Hit him twice.
Yeah, I'm fixing to just go down there. You wanna go down there?
Let's get it.
I don't. I'm falling through the map.
He's moving. Are you?
Almost. I caught myself.
Alright.
Oh yeah, we got somebody right here.
Yeah, I saw him. There's two down there. One to the left. Alright, no.
Right there.
Those are here with an RPG.
Engaging shooting.
Oh, right
to our left, to our left.
Dude, you gotta check out that shot, man. Shot the guy straight out of the helicopter.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, so I don't know if this dude is... I think he's AFK.
I just downed somebody right here.
Alright, I'm just checking on this guy. Yeah, he's AFK.
Got someone following you.
Oh, okay. I'm froze.
Go ahead him out. You good?
Yeah.
I think David should have a heavy machine gun and a sniper.
Yeah, what's on the... Oh. One on me. Ah!
Coming. Coming.
His shield is broke.
Got it. Shit. His teammate's behind me though.
He just laid better shots than me. 6 seconds. I guess it doesn't matter.
Whatever.
Alright, coming down, coming down, coming down. You got one coming, you have two. Oh, no, just kidding, just kidding. Nowhere near you. Anybody by you?
Damn, where'd he go?
Contact.
Yep, there he is. Yep, dead, I'm dead.
I'm coming.
They're on me.
I see him.
Under fire.
Alright, killed you.
Yeah,
Oh,
got me.
shit, damn. I'm far away. I am.
Yeah.
Are you in there? Okay, I see you.
Yeah, I'm right here with you. We can go wherever you want to go at this point.
Alright, I'm gonna go to this little satellite trailer thing. This looks kinda good. Ooh, nice. Nothing in here.
We got a money box or something. Way over here. Yeah, there's someone right here in this room.
Did you get him?
Nope. Missed every shot. I hit him. He's not on the roof no more. Someone's going into the building.
Okay, I'm coming.
In that building right there.
Okay. I think I see somebody. Yep. Dude, do I have aim assist? What the hell is this?
I don't see nobody.
Alright. Somebody right here?
Yep.
Oh, you're down there. Oh, shoot, I thought you was up there with me. There's somebody in there. There's two people in there. Counting the guy that just jumped in. Oh, shoot. I'm going in.
Down one.
How am I getting hit?
Oh my god, I got a fucking heartbeat sensor as a secondary. Come on, brother.
Jumping on him.
On the side. I'm down.
Nope.
Help.
Crazy.
Now, I'm gonna head for this money box right here.
Alright. Write it down. Oh, I almost forgot the button to... You want me to get it? I'm on it.
Buddy. I mean, you can get it. I was gonna try to trap people,
Oh no, okay.
but they ain't no telling if there's anybody even close to us. And I'm sitting up here like a sore thumb. There we go.
Bro, you telling me that you don't think it wouldn't be fun to stream Sea of Thieves?
Oh no, it would, but when we played Sea of Thieves back in the day, I just got bored of it.
I got in too late.
Yeah, you did. Alright, we got someone flying in right here, coming to the package.
Destination marked.
Alright. Wait, can you mark them
Stay
again?
right here. He's over in this general area somewhere.
Cancel that.
Oh, he's right here on the box.
Made contact.
Like on the box? By us?
Yep. He's down. Ha.
Oh my god, bro.
Alright, now I gotta change position.
And so you said I have to get my own YouTube channel. I have to make. You don't use the same one that you use to like log into YouTube and watch, right?
Oh no, I do.
You do?
I do. Yeah. Like I said, I don't really care that much. I'm mainly posting stuff and stuff for me.
Interesting.
All right, here he comes, flying in. I heard him, but I don't know where he
Oh,
went.
he's on my side.
Right here, right here.
Yep, I see him.
At the box.
He's at the box. Oh no no
Down.
no!
I downed him. Oh no. Right behind you. I downed him. Got him.
Bro, you telling me that bullet that scraped his forehead didn't kill him?
Tossing
You got another one down here at the box.
I hear him. I hear him.
At the box.
Bro.
Clustering your location.
Yep. We got another one down here. I'm gonna go for him as soon as he does. Oh no no no! Moving away. Team.
Where at? Tagging? Yep. Down.
Oh my god!
Down.
I think there's another one. I'm hearing movement. I think.
Here comes a truck.
There's another person. Golly, dude, I didn't even get a chance to hit him. How? On my screen, I hit him. On this screen, it doesn't even say I hit him.
Ah, no! I lost sight of that other one.
Man. Yeah, it is. I mean, we could. I'm high enough where I could float over there.
Yeah. I'm heading that
You
way.
want to or
You
no?
wanna head that way?
Yeah, I'll hit that way.
I'm getting shot at.
That's unfortunate.
I'm probably gonna end up landing on like this hilltop right here.
Oh no, I'm high enough where I can get over there.
Dude, how are you so high?
Tim, the Tatman timed out.
Let's say what?
Tim, the Tatman timed out.
Timed out.
Yeah, legitimately said that.
No, I'm down.
No, why do you? Oh, okay, that's fine.
Who said Tim the Tatman timed out?
No, it was on my screen. Your boy was in this lobby. Oh gosh, oh gosh. I got sniped.
Tough to kill a king.
I've got
Tim the
this.
Tatman wasn't in this lobby.
Yeah, he was.
He don't play. Wonder.
No.
Oh, yo, it brought me back over here.
I'm sorry, I wasn't listening.
It's still,
I'm gonna try hard.
it's still going down over here.
Yeah. Hard. Alright, so right below you.
Tossing a thermite. This isn't the end.
Alright, so it looks like they're all coming up to where you are. Right behind you, right behind you, right behind you. Hit him.
Taking
No. Alright, I think I got cover. Nope, he's coming up. He's coming up for me. Yep, there he is.
Dang it, bro. Just rock, bro.
I just
Stop. It's not fair, man. All the way on the other side again? Yeah, I'm not making it this time.
yeah, me neither. Let's
Dude, I'm right below you. I am directly below you. What's up, bro?
oh wow, I'm gonna like walk on you. Yo, someone's falling right in that area.
over here. I see
Right
the
there.
enemy.
Alright,
Make
He
contact.
fell right there.
that's it. I'm going in.
Yep, me too.
I'm throw a grenade from there.
Someone's shooting at us.
Oh, he's dead. Oh, shoot.
Ah! Oh no! I had fall damage. I died from fall damage, my guy. I'm sorry.
This gun, man.
Oh, yeah, they brought us back here though.
Oh, yeah. Come get some. I want some. Is he on you?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, we got some gold over here. Oh, okay, we got ATV.
Four wheeler coming.
Yep. He didn't want it.
He didn't want to smoke. Got someone falling on us. Up top, on building above us.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm glad I have someone like you that's street smart. You see this guy?
Right in front of us. Down him. Right in front of me.
Yep.
This isn't
Alright.
Shoot. In front of us, in front of us.
I'm down.
I'm trying to take climb the ladder. Oh, man, no, let's get back over there.
I'm going for that green smoke.
There's a green. Okay, okay. Let's do it.
There's another money box saying we can camp.
Okay, I'm getting shot at. Yeah. That was a horrible shot. Just kidding, he's not. Going down.
Alright, smoke disappeared, so someone got the money.
You think so?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, okay, okay, right here. On this building. Oh, two people. Three people. Four people over here. Oh. Ah, yeah, I'm dead. You getting shot. Buddy thought. Bro, how do you do the whole sliding sprint thing?
Hold on a second, I gotta get out of this fight part too.
Dude, you just jump right in, huh?
Picked up a gun with no fucking ammo on it. In it on accident.
Man, you by yourself.
Alright, so
Come on. Is this guy still down here? Ah, idiot, got him. I'm sorry, you're not an idiot.
so I
You. Fine, I'm trying to get to you.
my sniper, and that's it.
Oh god, baby girl, you
Another money
scared me.
box.
Wait, are you over here? Oh shoot, this. Thought we had more time.
Down him. Woo. Gameplay.
Gold. Yes, sir.
I want to see these skills. Talk about it.
Dude, are you serious? What the? How?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How, bro?